Go yard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that damn bitches on my line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about my holiday going to the island of Java. First, I introduce myself. My name is Septa Rizka. You can call me Septa. A student at UIN Raden Patah Palembang Islamic Religious Education Study Program, Class F. Okay, talking about my holiday experience, I don't often go on holiday anywhere. But when I was 7 years old, still in 4th grade elementary school, my mother and my uncle went by bus from Palembang to Jakarta, and from Lampung to our Bakauni port, crossing by ship to the Port Merak. At the time, I felt very happy because it was the first time I had gone out of town. There I saw a very wide ocean and large ship. Not only that, on the ship there was a child the same age as me jumping from ship to look for money that passengers gave by throwing it into the sea. At the time, I was very surprised that they were used to that there. After we arrived in Jakarta, we stayed at the house of my sister, who was married, and lived in that area. After a few days, we were invited to go for walk. At the time, we went to Ancol Beach. I was very amazed to see the view there. And there were also many other recreational places such as swimming pool, cable cars, and many others. And there were also often lots of outsiders. Thereafter that we went to Monas, which is in the center Jakarta area. And the building is very high. Because when we got there it was already evening, so we couldn't climb Monas. We just looked it from below. After we were satisfied, we went home. The next day, we were invited to go the top of Bogor. There, the weather was so cold that there I bought thick pants and jacket by my mother because my body was shivering because it was so cold. I hadn't adapted, usually in the hot area of Palembang, suddenly into a cold area. There were also very busy people on holiday. We could see the vast green and cool tea plantation. And it was so cold that we bought hot roasted corn, and it didn't even feel hot. I was very happy on holiday there. And when I was a grade 4 of elementary school, when I was 9 years old, we went again to the island of Java. Our main destination was North Bekasi because my sister moved there. This time, I went by favorite car. After a day of traveling, we arrived there. We went on holiday of Monas again. And it was daytime, so we could climb to the top of Monas, and I feel very high. After from there, we went to Ragunan Zoo, and there were lots of animals that I had never met. There I saw a very big elephant. There were zebra, lions, tiger, crocodile, peacocks, orangutan, and many others. In 2018, we're on holiday to Ancol Beach again, and to Betawi Village, and went to Monas again, and we also went to Bandung. We stayed for 2 days. Our destination was Mount Tangkuban Perahu. The story of a child named Sangkuriang who loved his own mother Dayang Sumbi. Were also many people abroad. At the time, I didn't understand what they were talking about because they used English and Arabic. There I also rode a horse around the mountain crater from above and the weather was very cold. After that, we went to Bamboo Village in Lembang. It was like flower garden, lots of various kinds of flowers there. Then we returned to Palembang. That's all I can tell you about my holiday on the island of Java, which was very impressive. If there are many mistakes, I apologize. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.